In this video, I'll show you how to delete your TikTok messages from both sides in a very easy and clear method, so follow up with me. First, we need to go to your Play Store or App Store and make sure you have the TikTok app updated to the latest version available. Now, once you make sure that is done, quit Play Store or App Store and go to your TikTok app. From here, tap on your messages icon right here to go to your chats and conversations. Once you do that, choose the conversation that you want to delete a message from. Let's say I want this one. Tap on it. Now all you need to do from here is to long tap on the message that you want to delete from both sides. From here, tap on delete in the bottom right corner, and just like that you have deleted it successfully. Now you can quit and go to another conversation, and you can do the same thing very easily. Just long tap on the message and then tap on delete. You can also delete a whole conversation by long tapping on the whole conversation and then tap on delete. You need to confirm the action by tapping delete again. And just like that, you'll be deleting your conversation from TikTok. And that's it for the video, guys. I hope it was useful. If it was, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one. And thank you very much for watching.